Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Wix to Printful. All right, it's pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and make sure that you have both Wix and Printful accounts. All right, if you don't have it, just go ahead and make one. Now, go ahead over to printful.com. Now, once you're in here, in your dashboard, just go ahead and go to Stores right here at the left pane. Click on it. Now, once it loads, just go ahead and click on Choose Platform. All right, now once it loads, scroll down or all the way down until you find Wix. All right, now as you can see here, Wix is available right here. Just go ahead and click on Connect. And it says here, connect your Wix store to Printful. Scroll down a bit. All right, till you find the Connect to Wix button. All right, just go ahead and click on it. And the new page will pop up. As you can see here, it will make you choose which website you wanted to connect to Printful. All right, say for example, this one right here. Select it and just give the necessary permissions, read basic site information, manage products, manage e-commerce data, and so on and so forth. All right, just hit on agree and add and wait for it to finish. Once that's done, it will require you to install the Wix App Market to continue using it to Printful. All right, just click on it and head over to the Add to Site button. Click on it. And again, it will ask you to choose which site to add this app. Click on just click on the site which we have selected earlier. Hit on continue and just wait for it to process. All right, as you can see here now, the Wix Studio is now loading, or the editor, and it's going to open up our website. Close this one, and as you can see, it is adding checkout and orders, adding the finishing touches. Just wait for it. It won't take long. All right, and that's basically how you do it. All right, now, if you want to add in some products, just go ahead and go back to your printful.com. Now go ahead over to stores. All right, as you can see here, we have our Wix website right here, which is the Lazy Daddy. Just go ahead and click on add product right here, and feel free to edit whatever you like right here. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.